Hey everyone, this is your girl KT, aka Kween Kweeta. Thank you so much for tuning into my YouTube video as well as my Instagram video. So today I'm actually going to be showing you guys how to apply your KT Beauty lashes. So today I have my KT Beauty lashes right here. And this is in the Lash Style Blessing. So I'm actually going to show you guys how to apply lashes on because just like you guys, there was a time where literally your girl was struggling to like put on lashes, even to do my eyebrows and have them like decent or looking fleeky. And I always had to like be like, girl, Lucida Liberty, like I need you to help me right now. And she'd be like, okay, girl, I got you. So I'm going to show you guys how to put these lashes on, and also just to feel good and comfortable how to put them on, okay? Just kidding. So some of the things that you need is going to be scissors. And the reason why you need scissors is because if this is your first time like purchasing lashes, sometimes you may have to cut and adjust the lashes according to your eyelids. The second thing you need right here are lashes. See how like the corners, the inner corners and the outer corners, how they like extend a little bit. So that's why you need scissors, only for the first time when you're, wearing them, just so that you can adjust them according to your eyelids. And then the next thing you need are tweezers. Now you don't have to use tweezers. I personally use tweezers only for when I'm using shorter lashes. Like I know the KT Beauty cashmere lashes, they're smaller and they're like more natural and they're like really short. So they're more so for like every day. Or for people who don't really enjoy long lashes. So I use my tweezers for these. So this right here is the gold KT Beauty lash right here. And on here on the end, it actually says wear your confidence. I know you can't see because it's like literally gold metallic. So yeah, so if you're using like something like the cashmere lashes, which is like really small, I would suggest using these tweezers because then it helps you to like grip the actual lash because it's so small. Like, and for women who like to wear nails like myself, like that's too small, I can't grip that thing, so I need some help with my tweezers. Okay, you definitely need lash glue. So this is the lash glue that I'm actually going to be using. This is actually the hair glue that a lot of us wear, us females we wear, but I love using this hair glue at times, depending on what it is that I need it for, because it lasts longer. I can wear this, apply my lashes on today, girl, tomorrow, like, let me tell you, I won't have to apply these on. So the following day, and I still won't have to apply these on. Sometimes it can last up to a week. So depending on how much I apply on there. But yes, this, yeah, depending on what you need it for, definitely a go. You need a spoolie. It's Cinderella, Fairy Godmother. You definitely need a spoolie, okay? Yes, yes. Ow, ow. And then some ladies, they like to use mascara and put mascara on prior to. I can do with or without it. I can put them on with or without it. So it's honestly a preference for you, depending on how you feel about it. But lastly, what you definitely need a compact mirror. So this compact mirror that I have, I actually have two. So this one is, I got this from like the Dollar Tree. It's one of the ones that have like the brush in them. You push it out and you can brush your hair, weave brush. Okay, on the go. Yeah, and this is why you need this, because a lot of us, we try to apply lashes on this way, looking straight forward in the mirror, and you can't. Well, you can, but it's harder that way for those who struggle with putting lashes on. For those who are pros and like, they're not rookies, varsities, you got it, you're good. But for me, when I first started, yeah, I needed more help. I couldn't just do it this way. I needed this angle so I can look and see my lash line and literally be like, okay, I'm putting it here, I'm putting it there, and then holding it and everything else. And then go back and be like, all right, this is fine this way. So you need compact mirror, okay? All right, so we are actually going to get started. Right now, I am unboxing the KT Beauty Blessing Lashes. Again, drip, drip. Came through dripping, drip, drip. All right. And again, as you can see, like how the ends are like a bit extended. So the first thing that you are going to do here, I just took these off. So what I'm going to do, I am actually going to cut the sides. For me, the sides work best when I have them cut. If not, like they kind of like mess up my inner and outer corners. Mostly the inner corners, like, girl, they will mess me up. I'll be like, what? Gotta snip these things, honey. Get them cut down. Cut down. You want them cut down? That's what they always say about my nails. It's okay. No cut down. So then you take this glue and I take these spoolie glues. Again, you can like go down like this if you want to. For me, it doesn't really matter at this time, but just showing you guys what you can do with it. And you can also use this for the actual false lashes. But what I normally use this for, guys, I just actually dip I use this as a dip. So when I'm getting ready to put my lashes on, I dip it in the glue. Once I dip it in the glue, then I take my lash and I apply it this way. And for me, this is easier. It gives me better grip. I like it. I don't have a lot of problems with it. And I just kind of put it on this way. So it helps me that I'm not putting too much on. I can pretty much like control how much is on the lash. So So if gripping is ever your issue, all you got to do is use these tweezers like this. Put them in the middle. And then, now with this kind of glue, like it dries really fast. And it gets tacky extremely fast. So don't wait too long. Wait like 15 seconds, if that. Like 10, more so like 10. Now you can use this to like position it right there in the middle. And then once, for me, like once I have that, I actually like open up my eyes and then I clamp my real lashes with them. And that's how I actually apply it. All right, guys. So I was actually able to put this one on, as you can see. This one is like mega volume. Okay. All right, so that is how you apply your KT Beauty lashes. Hopefully you guys love it. Give it a thumbs up. Woo, 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 woo. That's my niece. But yes, don't forget to follow me as well as subscribe. You can follow me at Kween Kweeta. That is KWEEN _ KWEETA. If you are interested in buying any KT Beauty products, that is at KT Shops By Kweeta. So that's on Instagram, and it has my website in the link as well as my bio. If you go into Kween Kweeta, it has the same information as well. So don't forget to go on there and like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well as follow me so that you guys can keep up with me and I keep up with you, because I want to help all of my ladies and all the single ladies, all the single ladies, all the married ladies, all the married ladies, all the ladies, all the ladies, and